How to register for the Waukesha Reads virtual challenge on Beanstack. First, go to waukeshapubliclibrary.beanstack.org and click on Register an Individual or Family. If you haven't used Beanstack for summer reading this summer, hit No. Otherwise, hit Yes and you'll sign in with the same account. Select I'm registering myself and fill out your information. You'll see NEA Big Read Waukesha Reads in the middle. Hit Register for this challenge to register. And that's it. You're registered for the Waukesha Reads virtual challenge. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video to learn about how Beanstack works.